Hi, we're Team 4, the Honeybees, and we worked with No Taste for Waste. I'm Jordan.
Hi, I'm Eric.
I'm Chrisanya.
Hi, I'm Jack.
First, we would like to acknowledge our university's history of colonization. UMass was founded on stolen land. As an active first step toward decolonization, we encourage you to learn more about the Native nations whose homelands UMass Amherst now resides on. No Taste for Waste is a program with the intention to reduce waste on UMass Amherst campus. Here is Monica, a coordinator for No Taste for Waste.
So No Taste for Waste is a campaign that we started in the spring of 2023, just in an effort to encourage people who are dining in at Blue Wall to choose a reusable plate instead of a single-use container as a way to reduce single-use waste on campus.
For our project, we walked around Blue Wall with a survey in order to figure out what percentage of people were using single-use containers and tried to figure out their reason for doing so. We interviewed those who wished to be on camera and got a better understanding of what they do to reduce waste on campus. We were also able to give out $5 dining dollars to students that we saw using reusable dishes in Blue Wall.
What do you do to reduce waste on campus?
I used to have a really bad habit of buying a coffee every day and using a disposable cup every day, but now I make my coffee at my house, and so that reduces waste because I don't use a cup every day.
Obviously, for our project, civic engagement is very important. Civic engagement is when individuals or organizations work directly with a community to try to make a positive change. To try and reduce waste in Blue Wall and understand the reasons why there is so much, civic engagement is the best way to try to affect people's choices towards those that are more sustainable and to get clear answers.
Unfortunately, to-go containers are often treated as the default, leading students to use to-go containers even when they are eating in, which contributes to the excessive use of single-use containers. The to-go containers at Blue Wall also aren't washable, compostable, or recyclable, and they add up scarily fast, even in one restaurant. For Monica Guzik, a leader of No Taste for Waste.
This past September of 2023, the campus center alone generated over 35 tons of landfill waste.
This is equal to the weight of 20 cars. While this is one place, reducing waste somewhere can inspire others to do the same and create actual change. The goals for our project were to identify why people were using single-use containers and trying to educate the student body on the importance of reusable dishes. Even if we were only able to change the perspective of a few students and convince them to use reusable dishes, then we accomplished the goal of trying to reduce the amount of waste being produced at Blue Wall.
About 37% of respondents that used a single-use to-go container claimed that they would use a reusable plate or bowl in the future. This is an encouraging increase and shows that our engagement worked on many people and was rewarding to all of us. But we also believe that things need to go beyond just civic engagement if we want larger reductions. By incentivizing the reusable options more and changing policies in Blue Wall, perhaps many more people will switch away from single-use waste.
We hope you enjoyed and learned a bit more about campus waste. We would like to give a big thanks to Kathy Wicks and Monica Guzik, our volunteer partners.